For more than a century, First American Title Insurance Company has provided comprehensive title insurance protection and professional settlement services.
Good morning and welcome to the Old Capital Real Estate Report for Wednesday, May 30th, 2012. My name is Billy Parker and I'm president of MC Providers of North Texas.
Hi, and I'm Kay Bryson with First American Title in South Lake.
Kay, thank you for stopping by today as we continue our series on the ins and outs from loan application to the closing table. I know that you have some detailed information that you have for our viewers today about what happens at the title company once an order is received and a file is opened.
Thanks for having me, Billy. That's right. We are delighted to be here today to share with your viewers the behind-the-scene procedures once we receive a contract and the request for title commitment on a home. But first, how are mortgage rates holding up this week?
Well, Kay, they're holding up great. According to the latest weekly mortgage rate survey released by Freddie Mac on May 24th, reported that mortgage rates are holding steady at historic lows. Specifically, the 30-year fixed rate mortgage averaged 3.78% APR, the 15-year fixed rate mortgage averaged 3.04% APR, and the 5-year adjustable rate mortgage is holding at 2.83% APR. Again, these rates are holding steady at all-time record lows for the third consecutive week. Today we continue our series on the ins and outs from the loan application to the loan closing table. In this week's Underwriters Corner, we're happy to welcome Kay Bryson with the First American Title Company, who will give us some more information on what happens once they receive the contract and earnest money. Kay, please give our viewers an overview of the title process once an order is received.
I would be glad to, Billy. When First American Title receives the contract and earnest money for the sale of a home, we immediately enter all the information into our computer system and turn it over to our Title Research Department. The Title Research Department prints a title run report using the legal description of the property. This title report run is a detailed report of the history of the ownership and liens against the property. The Title Research Department will also conduct a name search on the names of the current owners. This name search will show if the current owners has any outstanding liens against their name. A few examples of a lien against someone's name are an abstract of judgment for failing to pay a creditor, a child support lien, a federal tax lien, or a state tax lien. A title examiner will review the title run report and name search and create a title commitment. This title commitment includes the current owner, the proposed insured, the legal description of the property, the amount of insurance, what exceptions will be taken on the policy, and what outstanding liens are filed of record that need to be satisfied before closing. A copy of this title commitment will be sent to all parties associated with the transaction. The buyer's mortgage company will provide the escrow officer with closing instructions. These closing instructions will include a list of costs for the buyer's new loan. The escrow officer will create a HUD-1 statement using the mortgage company's closing instructions as well as any other costs that are associated with the transaction, such as the payoff of the seller's current mortgage, real estate commission, property taxes, title insurance policy, document filing fees, and homeowner association fees. The buyers and sellers will come to First American Title office to sign all documentation regarding the sale of the property. Once all parties have signed the documents, the mortgage company has to provide funding authorization to First American Title in order to finalize the transaction. Once all funds are transferred and documents are recorded, First American Title issues a policy of title insurance to the new owner. If you have any questions regarding the title process, please contact our office for more information on the number listed below. Billy, what are the spotlight cities today?
Okay, we're going to look at Bedford and up in Flower Mound. So in April, there were 44 homes sold in Bedford, and the average sales price was right at $160,000. Now we were looking at 60 days on market in April. Now in the last 7 days, 15 homes were listed and 10 homes were sold. Moving up to Flower Mound, in April, there were 104 homes that were sold. The average sales price was $276,344, and we were looking at 62 days on market. Now in the last 7 days, there were 32 homes that were listed and 19 homes that were sold. So for the current active listings in Bedford, we have 134 and 334 in Flower Mound. Well, folks, that does it for this week. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you as we continue our series on the ins and outs of the mortgage loan application. Thanks, and make it a great day.
Thank you.